Come back to the channel. In today's video, let us discuss about lists in Python. Lists are similar to arrays. They can contain any type of variables and they can contain as many variables as we need for the programming. This can also be iterated over a very simple manner. Let's look into a sample programming. How do we build a list and how do we iterate through list using for statement in Python. We have created list.py. So let me try to initialize a list. My sample list equal to, there are different ways to define a list. This is how we define empty list, and I can try to append as many as numbers like 1, 2, 3, and I can try to print my sample list, or I can print each element of my sample list like this. Let me try to execute what it prints. So it defined empty list first and then appended 1, 2, 3 in order, 1, 2, 3 here. So when it printed first time, it printed 1, 2, 3, and the next print statement prints the first element which is 1, second element which is 2, and then last element which is 3 got printed on the console. How do we iterate the list? Using for statement for x in my sample list, print x, because we have taken. So let's try to execute this. Let me comment the statements. So it printed 1, 2, and 3 because print x prints a new line. So this is how we can iterate through lists in Python using for statement. So we also can define list as list of strings or any other different types. Let's look into another example where we will be adding numbers and strings and correct this using append list method. So what we will be doing, we will be adding numbers one list and we will be adding strings as another list, and then we will try to print those strings and numbers. Let's try to open a new program. List sample.python. Let me define numbers and strings and names. So let me take and second name equal to, let me take second name as none. And now let's print numbers, strings, and let me try to print the second name is percentile yes and percentile second name. So let me try to execute this program. So what it is giving? It gave first the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 and then strings 1 2 3 4 5 and the second name is none. So this is how it prints. If you want to retrieve some value from this array, like I want to print the name Jim, how do you print it? It has got 0 1 2. So what it will be printing? Print the value name I like to print is percentile s and percentile names of 2. So let me try to execute. So the name I want to print is Jim has been printed. If you do 2 or 3 or 4, it will print the same way. If I want to print names of colon -1, let me see what it prints. It printed except last name, the other ones. If I want to print like this, it print John because that is the first value. So likewise, you can try experimenting with this names of to see how it prints. If you see particularly here, it printed Jill and then Jim and Jane, John, except the last name. So you can try and figure out how you can print strings out of a list to the console. So you have learned about append that appends the values into the list, and you have tried with colon and without colon, like names of 2 using index of list, that is array of strings. If you have any doubts or any more further understanding on this, you can comment out. I will be sharing the detailed information in comments also. So in next video, let us discuss about next topic, that is, till now we have discussed about variables, types and basic syntax, indentation, and some part of this we will try to perform some basic operations and string formatting, basics of all string conditions and loops in next videos. Thank you for watching.